Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon FBA for private label. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, using Amazon FBA for your private label business is a powerful way to scale efficiently and reach a global customer base. To get started, ensure you have a strong brand identity with a well-designed logo and packaging that resonates with your target audience. This branding is crucial as it distinguishes your product from competitors. Once your product is ready, ship it to Amazon's fulfillment centers. FBA takes care of storage, packing, and shipping, which frees you up to focus on growing your brand. With Amazon handling the logistics, your products are eligible for Prime, making them more attractive to customers. Leverage Amazon's tools to monitor your inventory levels and sales performance. It's important to keep track of your inventory to avoid stockouts, which can negatively impact your sales and rankings. Regularly check your FBA reports to manage your inventory efficiently. Amazon FBA also provides excellent customer service, which is crucial for maintaining high ratings and positive reviews. They handle returns and customer inquiries, ensuring a smooth buying experience that reflects well on your brand. To maximize your success, utilize Amazon's advertising options. Sponsored products ads can help you gain visibility and drive traffic to your listings. This is especially important when launching new products or entering competitive categories. By integrating FBA with your private label strategy, you can focus on building your brand and expanding your product line while Amazon handles the logistics and customer service. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.